Hello everyone. This section is for ATP and biochemical pathway. After learning this section, you should be able to draw a simple schematic that illustrates the structure of ATP. Describe ATP's role as a coupling agent that links exogonic and endogonic reaction. Describe the components of a biochemical pathway and how they are organized. Cells must do work in order to survive and reproduce, such as chemical work, transport work, and mechanical work. And they need energy to finish these works. Energy must be defined most simply as the capacity to do work. This is because all physical and chemical processes are the result of the application or movement of energy. Organisms obtain the energy they need from an energy source present in their environment, then convert the energy it provides into a useful form. So ATP is a major energy currency of cells. ATP is formed by exogonic reactions and then used to drive endogonic reactions. Look at the pictures. On the left is the structure of ATP, ADP, and AMP. The two red bonds are more easily broken and release considerable energy that can be used in endogonic reactions. On the right is the zinc and ball model of ATP. What makes ATP suited for its role as energy currency? ATP is a high-energy molecule. That is, it is hydrolyzed almost completely to the products adenosine diphosphate ADP and orthophosphate ATP, ADP, and orthophosphate form an energy cycle, as seen in this picture. From this picture, you can see ATP is formed from energy made available during aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, fermentation, chemolithotrophy, and phototrophy. ATP is synthesized from ADP and orthophosphate. When ATP is hydrolyzed, the energy released drives endogonic processes such as anabolism, transport, and mechanical works. Organisms carry out a myriad of chemical reactions. The reactions are organized into biochemical pathways, which take two main forms, linear and cyclic. You can see them on the picture. The linear pathways, the first molecule in the pathway is often termed the starting molecule or the substrate of the pathway. The last molecule is called the end product. Those metabolites in between are pathway intermediates. Some linear pathways are branched and can yield more than one product. On the picture below, it is a cyclic pathway. Biochemical pathways can also be cycles. In this case, all molecules in the pathway can be thought of as intermediates. For the cycle to continue running, there must be impulse into it. In both types of pathways, each reaction is represented by an arrow and is catalyzed by an enzyme or ribozyme. In reality, biochemical pathways are connected and form a complex network. From this picture on the right, you can see Each ball represents a metabolite formed by reactions in the network. Each line represents the enzyme catalyzed reaction that converts one metabolite into another. That's all for this section. Here is a word list for you.